For our second task, we're going to find products or differences. So we're going to show that x minus 1 times x minus 1, or that could be written as x minus 1 squared, is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1 by drawing a diagram. So first, what we're going to do is treat this x minus 1 as the length. So if I'm drawing that as the length of the rectangle, I notice this is going to have to be split into two parts. And one part I would put x, and this would take on the value of minus 1 down here. Similarly, up here for the width, we can put in x, and then also minus 1 for the second piece. And then we just multiply inside our area model. So x times x makes x squared. X times negative 1 would be minus 1x. Similarly, negative 1 times x is minus 1x. And then negative 1 times negative 1 would be plus 1. So if I add now my like terms, x squared doesn't have a like term. So this is equal to x squared. Minus 1x plus another minus 1x is minus 2x. And then we would add our last piece, which would just be the plus 1. So we have just shown that x minus 1 times x minus 1, that's what we have on the outside of our area model. That is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. And now here, for each expression, we're going to write an equivalent expression and show our reasoning. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to use old-fashioned distribution, and I'm going to multiply x times x and x times negative 1. So x times x is x squared, and x times negative 1 would be minus 1x. And then down here, we would go 1 times x, so plus 1x. And then plus 1 times negative 1 would be minus 1. If you notice here, the middle terms are going to disappear, and we would get x squared minus 1. In fact, some of you might have known x plus 1 times x minus 1 would be the first term squared, x squared, minus the second term squared. Same idea here, but now what I'm going to do is draw an area model. So the x minus 2, we have x and then minus 2. So I'm going to draw that part of the rectangle. And then here I have the x and the 3. So I'm going to draw the x and the 3. Then multiplying x times x makes x squared. X times 3 makes 3x. Negative 2 times x makes minus 2x. Then negative 2 times 3 is minus 6. Combining our like terms here, we have x squared. 3x minus 2x would be plus 1x, or just plus x. And then I put them minus 6. So x minus 2 in parentheses times x plus 3 is equal to x squared plus x minus 6. Now this expression, x minus 2 squared, I'm going to write that as x minus 2 times x minus 2. And then I'm going to distribute that. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 would be minus 2x. And then negative 2 times x here would be minus 2x. Again, it helps for some people to draw arrows. So my first two, x times x made x squared. My outer terms, x times negative 2 made negative 2x. Now here, I do negative 2 times x is another negative 2x. Then negative 2 times negative 2 would be plus 4. Combining my like terms, that would equal x squared minus 4x plus 4.